Begin by following the installation guide to attach the post to your chosen desk fixing. Installation of the heavy-duty F-clamp is being demonstrated. Alternative AWM desk fixing options can also be purchased. Secure the fixing to the work surface. Remove the cable clips. Take the bracket and align the inner guide so it slides into the rear channel of the post. Slide the bracket to a comfortable height, measuring from the saddle to ensure the display won't hit the desk. Firmly tighten the hand knob to set height. Some displays require the use of a VESA adapter, which may ship in the box with the display. Consult your display's installation guide for further information. If your display has a flat or protruding VESA mount surface, use the 10mm M4 screws to attach the VESA plate. Arrow points towards the top of the display. If your display has a recessed VESA mount surface, use the 10mm spacers with 20mm M4 screws to attach the VESA plate. Arrow points towards the top of the display. Pull the clips on the VESA plate into the open position. With assistance, carry the display to the bracket. Hook the silver bar on the VESA plate into the saddle on the bracket, hanging the display like a painting. You must push the clips on the VESA plate into the closed position before proceeding. Movement of the display is expected if a load is applied to the corner. This should be avoided. Turn the two knobs to the right of the bracket, counterclockwise, to unlock the display tilt mechanism. Adjust the screen angle by gripping the edges of the display and rolling up or down as required. Set the angle by tightening the two knobs on the right of the bracket, turning clockwise. If the tilt tension is too tight to change the tilt angle, reduce the tension by loosening the screws to the left of the bracket with the 4mm hex key, quarter turn at a time. The fine adjustment knobs, located on the rear of the VESA plates, can be used to ensure display is level. Turn the knobs clockwise to raise or anti-clockwise to lower, either the left or the right side of the display. The total range of adjustment for each side is 12mm. If you are mounting a second display, begin by measuring the height of the display that will be mounted at the top. Then install the second bracket to the post as per the first bracket. Set the space between the top of the two brackets to 1/2 inch more than the height of the top display to avoid displays damaging each other during installation. Mount the second display as per the first display, ensuring the clips on the VESA bracket are pushed into the closed position before proceeding. Be aware to allow extra height between brackets to allow for tilting and fine adjustment. Carefully trial fit before adjusting closer. Use the supplied cable clips to conceal cables. For additional documentation and support, please visit atdec.com or email support@atdec.com.